Ooh, be careful.
Okay, now good.
Okay, try it.
Oh, stop.
But you see, it's not cranking.
You will check it, please.
I need, yeah. See? I don't know, it's not good. Okay. This is all the way open. Wait. Okay, try it. Oh, it's not working, I think. Try now. A little more. The battery's dead. Okay, try to start it. Okay. Try again. Trying? Try again. Okay, try again. Go. Again. Yes. Okay. Sitting for 15 years or so. I'm gonna try to start it. There's no fuel tank, so that's what's happening now. Go ahead, try to start it. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. A little more. Wait a little bit and we'll try again. Try it. Yay, she's running. She sounds good. Too much gas now. She sounds good, bro. This car sounds awesome. I think I put too much fuel in there now. Woo! Hell yeah! It comes me and Jarito to start this car. Look at that, she's running. She's running on this external fuel source right there. Okay, we'll do it again, all right? Wait, I'll tell you when. Oops. Brother, she's running amazing. Oil pressure's okay? Oil pressure good too.
Yeah.
Dude. Wait. Okay, this car hasn't run probably for about 15 years. Me and my friend came here and we're reviving it. We put the radiator back in. This car was like taken apart, so there's no fuel tank in this car at the moment. It's got new tires they recently put on, but they said that there's something wrong with the engine, but we want to verify that. So we're going to go ahead and pour some gasoline in there. I adjusted the ignition timing a little bit right there. And I verified the spark is there and the throttle linkage is all moving. But like I said, there's no fuel tank. Fuel pump is not delivering anything because the fuel tank is removed. So we're going to go ahead and just pour some amazing gasoline in there and we're going to try to start it. All right, go ahead, try it. Woo! Hell yeah. Obviously a little misfire because it's gonna need some work here and there, but we're just running it on the external fuel source. But we verified that the engine's actually, it sounds good. There's no knocking, none of that stuff, and the oil pressure is there. So, hey, even still running. Take a look, oil pressure is all good. Probably gonna need to add more fuel now. Wait, stop.
Maybe you don't change.
What do you think? You hear that running? What one?
I see.
Okay, wait, a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, stand back. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
It's okay. That's normal, all right? It's running on the external fuel source right there, so the engine is good on this car.
Yeah.
Good look,